Here's a breakdance move called the baby freeze. And this is one of the easier freezes that you could do in breakdancing. Your hands are going to be in contact with the floor in a staggered position, so at a 90-degree angle. So one hand pointed upwards, the other hand has the fingers to the sides. And the hand with the finger to the sides, that's going to be bearing most of your weight, while the other hand is there more for support. And you're going to want to make sure that your wrists are warmed up before you attempt this, as it's going to put some pressure on your wrist. So with the arms in that staggered position, this right arm here, that's going to be my stab arm. That's going to bear most of the weight. I'm going to draw the right elbow to the right side here, so just above the right hip bone, coming towards the oblique muscle. It'll also help to contract the right side of your body here. So now we'll take that down to the floor, planting the hands in that staggered position. Setting right elbow just above the right hip, contracting the right side. And you'll want to bring the side of your head to the floor here. So I'm going to be gazing towards the supporting hand, the left hand in this case. So my head is turned to the left. And you want to make sure that you gently bring your head down to the floor. Just softly make contact. So from here, bringing the weight onto your hands, you're going to lift your legs up, and the legs are going to stay bent for this. So right here, this is a baby freeze. And you could also scissor the legs here. So I'll bring my right knee to the left elbow. And then back to the starting position. So the knees stay off the floor, they don't make contact. And you could repeat this scissoring movement. And you could play around with that and come up with other positions for the legs. So I'll repeat that on the other side and give a different angle. Let's see, I'll face towards this way. So now left hand fingers are pointed to the side. This is going to be my stab arm, right hand for support. Legs are lifted here and bent. Then I could scissor the legs, left knee to right elbow. And back to the beginning. So when you're in the freeze, it's just your hands and the side of your head that's making contact with the floor. So your shoulder won't touch the floor with this one. And moves like this is often why you'll see breakdancers wearing a beanie, for that extra cushioning for the head, as there's a lot of moves where your head will come in contact with the floor.